Thank you for joining us today for this chamber chat from Alpha Wireless. Today we're talking with Colin Cunningham, Managing Director of Cellnex Ireland, and Fergal Lawlor, CEO of Alpha Wireless, to discuss easing council approval in urban and scenic areas using streetwork solutions.
And I think we're evolving as well because like what we've done down in Kilkenny, for example, where we've actually taken the streetlight and we've swapped it out. And we're putting up a pole with the streetlight back on it and the antenna above. And I think you're going to see probably that become more and more of a way to deploy, because the councils are looking at the street infrastructure and they're saying, well, why are we putting up another pole? If there's something already there, can we not use that by swapping it out and actually just end up with one pole with a kind of a multiple use case? So I think, you know, we've actually managed to swap out a streetlight now in 3 or 4 different councils.
Okay.
So I think that's certainly an area that will evolve. But again, it's working with yourselves, it's working with Jason Redmond's company and Delmic,
Pulling all that together, yeah.
Getting a design that works.
And it's great even with the Cellnex group, as it goes out to the wider group then, and we're seeing what's been done here in Ireland has now been looked at across Europe.
Yeah, I mean, look, we didn't invent this, right? We saw this in other markets. We saw what Alpha Wireless were doing in America. We saw what you're doing in the UK. They've been rolling out streetworks for probably 15 years in the UK, right? But now Cellnex, because we're part of the wider group across Europe, they're looking at what we're doing in Ireland and they're saying, how can we bring this to the other European markets? So, you know, and then obviously we're obviously promoting the fact that we have all these Irish companies involved in this process. Can you export that expertise? You know, let's try.
Thank you, Colin and Fergal, for joining us for this chamber chat today. If you'd like to learn more about Cellnex Ireland, you can visit their website at cellnextelecom.com. And if you'd like to find out more about Alpha Wireless, you can visit our website at alphawireless.com.